How to connect with your adult child? Has this question ever crossed your mind? Hello there, I'm Tulika B. Mukherjee, your personality development master, and I'm here again with my new episode. And here I'm going to share with you how you can connect with your child who's already growing, and there are lots of things that has to be taken care of in this age of his or her. So the first thing is, listen to what they care. You know what? It happens naturally because we have this habit that the child is small and I have to guide him all the time. So it is not so. You know what? Out of this habit, we end up creating rifts between us and the kid. It's time that we should treat the child as a grown up. Not completely, but the space should be given. And here I don't mean to give space is the child is all left by himself or herself, but I expect these parents should become more mature. Listen to what they care. There are things that now belongs to the child's own thought process. And before getting into conclusions, we should first think twice as to what the child cares about. See, naturally, maybe we are not coming into terms with what the child thinks, but at least when you think about it, about what he cares of, we can be mature enough in tackling the situation. Okay, now the second thing is how to communicate the way they are comfortable with. It's quite simple. We think that the child will be comfortable as we will communicate. Usually as when the child was small we used to behave, but it is not so. The child will be or is comfortable the way the child is growing now, and that has to be kept in mind always whenever you are talking to your child. Maybe not. The child must be watching television or handling the mobile or doing whatever. You cannot just start off shouting at the child. Okay. Now there can be instances where the child would just get up and without even telling you that mummy, I'm going for the day out with my friends or whatever. Sometimes children don't end up telling the parents without sharing. They just move out of the house. Parents end up saying, मेरा बेटा मेरी सुनता ही नहीं है आजकल, पहले कितनी बात सुनता था. And while the child would say, my parents don't understand me, मेरे मम्मी पापा समझते ही नहीं है मुझे अब. तो ऐसा क्या हो गया कि पहले हम समझते थे उनको और वो भी हमें समझते थे. There are some differences now, and that has to be dealt, that too very smartly. So the third point here begins is facilitate whole family communication. When the child was small, we all used to be together. Now it happens that the child with his phone or maybe with his favorite film will be locked in his room or sitting alone. Try to open up some discussion wherein the whole family is participating. Now the fourth point is very important here is respect the child's adulthood. Here, when the child is already into his or her adulthood, the children understand what is their respect all about. You have to respect them. Because, see, whenever somebody talks weird, we feel disrespected, definitely we don't respond properly. So how can we as parents expect the same from our child? Okay, so let's be more respectful towards them. Now the fifth point is, let them be themselves at times. It is not always that we should be coming up with our statements, shouting, yelling and dictating or giving instructions all the time. They are growing up and they don't like all the time somebody is shouting at the top of their voice. That can be done softly as well. The sixth point here is, you have to respond when they reach out to you. कई बार ऐसा होता है जब हम बच्चों से गुस्सा हो जाते हैं और फिर जब वो किसी और बात के लिए हमारी तरफ बढ़ते हैं और हमारे जो भी रीजनिंग्स होते हैं उसको डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं, तो हम बिकॉज ऑफ एंगर दैट वी हैव, वी give a very dry response. That is not very good. Please don't do it. It is very, very bad for the health of the child's mental, the child, the way, the emotional as well as the mental approach towards you. Okay. The seventh and the last point that has to be dealt very seriously is that enjoy their company like friends. कई बार ऐसा होता है जब हम इतने काम में बिजी हो जाते हैं कि हम शायद बच्चों से दोस्ती करना भूल जाते हैं, वो अकेले हो जाते हैं। तो कई बार वो ऐसे दोस्त ढूंढ लेते हैं जो उनके लिए बिल्कुल भी अच्छे नहीं हैं, और जब तक एक अच्छा दोस्त उनको नहीं मिलता है तब तक वो उस दोस्त की वजह से जिसने उनको परेशान किया हुआ है उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स वो आपसे शेयर नहीं कर सकते। सो enjoy their company like friends. So with that I come to an end of my this episode, and I will expect you to go in and share some links that has been given underneath there. So there are some very good books, बहुत अच्छी किताबें हैं जो Amazon से ली गई हैं, और and I'm sure you'll like it. Just go through them and try to connect with your children with the help of these books as well, because एपिसोड इतना लंबा नहीं कर सकती मैं, और अगर और भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ मी इन माई थ्रू माई email ID. Till then, bye bye, and do like, comment, share my episode, and thank you so much for your cooperation and all those who have subscribed my channel and all your likes. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye bye.